In this video, I'll show you how to set up asset locations in Google Ads so your ads can display your business address, map pin, or distance to the nearest store. Location assets help improve visibility for local businesses and make it easier for nearby customers to find you, especially on mobile searches. To begin, open your Google Ads account, click on Campaigns from the left panel, and then select Assets where all ad enhancements are managed. Next, click the plus icon and choose Location to start adding a location asset. Google Ads will then pull business locations connected to your account, often through your business profile. You can choose existing location groups or create a new one to organize different stores or regions. Clear group names help keep campaigns organized and ensure the right location appears with the right ads. After selecting your locations, simply save the asset. It may take a short time before the location begins appearing in ads, but you can always review or adjust it later in the Assets section as your campaigns evolve. Subscribe for more clear and practical Google Ads tutorials.